Okay guys, hi. Today I'm here with my friend and we're gonna be making some ASMR with our speaker, my little sister's speaker. So she's gonna go first because she really likes to use my
Shut up.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah.
Shut up.
Yeah, that's the first one
Shut
she
up.
said. What? Yeah, my friend is making weird noises.
Do you know that I just wanted today? Don't you do it? Yeah, definitely not. Yeah. She's back, my friend's back. Yeah. Hey, this is Faith.
Yeah.
And let's
So here now I'm gonna use some yogurt to make some noises.
No.
Okay, oh my god.
Shut up.
Stop telling me to shut up!
Shut up.
No one cares! Oh my god.
You farted.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
My friend is lying.
No, you're not.
She's not being nice.
I am being nice. You.
Okay.
Everyone. Hello. I must talk to you with her. Good mother, and I'm putting if you want to see your face, no, you can't see my face. Because it's a public. Nobody can see my face except my friend. Yeah, definitely. I just made the. Hello. That's good if you know that. It's a pepper cake.
Yeah. Here's a
Hello. My name is Ow! Okay, my friend is Mr. Duck. So let's welcome Mr. Duck. Yeah, definitely. So let's see. You may be wondering, Hey! You stop putting your butt. Yeah, that's it. Hey, stop blocking the channel.
Stop, it's my turn!
No, it's my turn.
Stop!
Dad, what's going on, kids? Oh, what's going on? You know, like Obati. I sound beautiful, right?
No.
You made me angry today.
Look guys, I have a phone.
Yeah, definitely a beautiful phone too. Hello. Definitely not hello. Hello. Some weird sound.
Oh.
Hello, guys. I do video. I'm a cute little kid. I just want to breathe. You made me happy. Happy boy. Happy boy. My same as poo-poo.
Excuse me?
Shut up. Da-da-ha-ha. You should be shut your mouth.
Girl, you're not being.
Now shut your mouth.
Oh my god.
Shush your mouth.
Okay.
Shut your mouth. Shush. You're not being nice.
I'm being so nice.
Liar boy.
Excuse me?
Shut up. You know, like a woman. Ali, that's not all. You fight chicken all. I'm gonna let you do that. Oh my god. It's time.
Oh my god, it's not
I'm
Christmas
getting
anymore.
that up here. It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, stop it. No, stop it. Stop it, or else I'll kill you. Let's kill it. Who's that to be? Let's kill my friend. This. My friend. Okay, let's kill it.
Oh!
Ha ha
Oh! Guys,
ha.
guys, I think Pedro had it just had a concussion. Like, I don't think he's okay.
Shush.
I am okay.
You know. Yeah.
Okay, guys, I don't know what just happened. It just blocked out. Listen to this. Okay, guys, I don't really know what just happened. Okay, guys, I don't really know what's happening right now.
Me too. Ha 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 ha. You know, I'm so great. Definitely so great. This is my evil one. Ha ha ha. I love this machine. Yeah, definitely. I didn't get any spell. But you found in the day before, someone did an evil potion on Peppa Pig, and Peppa Pig very well find out who did it. Let's see. Yeah. Wait.
Okay, so anyways, Pedro gave Peppa the seed, and it's a potion. Here, Peppa, here's your seed. It's a it's a
I hate you. Bye.
No. This will make all your wishes come true.
I feel so dizzy.
And Peppa died.
Hello. What just happened?
Nobody.
Yeah.